What's up guys, कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. Last night we returned at literally 12 o'clock in the night and we crashed. Obviously I was so tired, driving for almost 650 kilometers, almost non-stop. We just took like 1 hour of a break on the whole, but I really enjoyed the drive. Definitely I'm gonna do more and more drives, maybe in this car, or maybe I'm okay in doing in this car as well, because ground clearance, everything was excellent. But let's see, we're gonna get the new car soon. Anyways, as you can see, car is looking really bad. Obviously this is how it looks after 650 kilometers, almost 700 kilometers. Arrow ko bhi calculate karna, so more than 800 kilometers actually. So I'm planning to clean it myself for now, because today I have some urgent work, otherwise I would take it for service as well. But that I think I'll be doing day after tomorrow. Today we have something very important. For now, let me start cleaning the bike, the car. Also, the bikes are safe and sound. I need to start them up. Tiger ko to start karke almost, I think it's more than 1.5 weeks. Straight when I took it for a ride, so no problem. But still, let me clean the car and then let's start the bikes as well. Okay, done with cleaning the car. Now second important task is to start the bikes. Let's do that. Alright, back again in the car. 12 hours been Iowa and I'm on my way to collect something very important. First, like I told you, there's a huge surprise. I'm pretty sure you already read the title and you know that. But apart from this, the second important thing is I have to go and collect a parcel that came actually on 5th. And 5th I was leaving. I left and then this guy calls me and says, "Sir, I'm in front of your home." I'm like, dude. From morning, I was actually calling them from 2 days before, because this actually had to come on 10th of November. Somehow it ended up coming on 5th itself, like 5 days before. Leave all that. Can I go and collect the item? He said, definitely sir, you can go and collect it. Just show your ID proof, because this is a high value product, okay? And this is a gift from my dad and I'm super excited about it. Just wait for it. Next vlog or maybe after that, I'll be unboxing that product. No, it's not the iPhone 12. Not at all interested in that particular phone right now. I'll wait for the 13. Let's go meet someone from Mumbai. I got the package and now for the surprise. You can come in the vlog.
Okay यार, आप रेल में इतने फिट लग रहे हैं माशाल्लाह
सर. Mask problem, we are not able to recognize anyone.
Okay, जो इतने फिट इतने इसमें लग रहे हैं, आप रेल में वीडियोस में नहीं लगते.
Problem is with the lens. Wide angle ना मेरे को मोटो बना रहा है वो.
नहीं, बहुत जबरदस्त है माशाल्लाह का फिजिक.
Thank you so much.
Can I have some photography?
Sure.
Come.
Welcome. Arey, yeah, man. Nice meeting you. What's up, man? Arey, you're looking so different. You're so tall, dude.
सब लोग ये बोलते हैं.
So tall, dude.
Everyone says it.
Oh God. Okay. Actually, I said I'm gonna give you a surprise in 3, 2, 1. And then this guy called me and said he's feeling sad and also. Anyway, surprise in 3, 2.
Hello.
Come on, you're used to camera, bro. You shouldn't be like this. And a bigger, mega surprise we have here.
Hi guys.
The king of
देखा
vlogging.
ब्लॉगर लोग को लाइटिंग समझती है. ऐसा नहीं सब इधर से ब्लॉग करते हैं.
Correct.
बिना पेपर स्क्रीन के.
This guy is so huge. I mean, not like that, but like this. Really tall, dude.
अभी बहुत यंग दिख रहा है वीडियो.
Because of you. Okay, by the way, a lot of people think Zishan बोले तो this guy. It's not this Zishan. The trainer Zishan. There's one more Zishan. ये Zishan का friend है वो. So he trains me, but he is the motivator.
And my motivator is Nikhil.
सबका मोटिवेटर इंडिया में.
बॉडी नहीं बनती लेकिन.
Live motivator.
I'm live motivator. Body.
अरे यार, looking like a celebrity. Like I know you are a celebrity, but Like you're like so bright.
Really? I just did my face wash.
And you sound so different.
Okay. नहीं,
On the camera you sound so different.
Vlog में you have to be at a certain, you have to be loud. Right? अच्छा guys, मैं क्या बोलता हूँ like this.
Right. That's your tone. That's your
Yeah,
tone.
so if I like this being in real life, so people might take it as a little offensive because that kind of a personality I have. So if I'll be like, oh Shivan, क्या बोलता? No, it won't look nice probably. So that's why I have to be a little polite. क्या करूँ?
That makes sense.
6 years hospitality.
रियल लाइफ में मेरे को भी कैमरा में श्रीमान बहुत ह्यूज लगता था. अभी देख रहा हूँ.
अरे अभी there are a lot of
बहुत
subscribers
masculine लग रहा है,
नीचे. There are a lot of
माशाल्लाह.
subscribers नीचे. मेरा subscribers भी है. They are like, Sriman bro, you're looking so thin here.
बहुत
On the
बहुत
camera you're
ढीले
so
लग रहे एकदम.
like
कैमरा
wide.
बड़े लग
I
रहे.
said that is to do with the
और
camera.
और निखिल एकदम उल्टा.
I'm always ulta.
No,
Doesn't
but
it?
you're looking nice. Okay, so me, Nikhil, Zishan and Abdus, we're all going to a place called Heart Cup Cafe. None of us had lunch and all that, so arey chup yaar. Yeah, we are planning to go have some black coffee and a little bit of lunch. That's the plan, nothing much. Exploring the city is a little bit of a task right now. You know, COVID and all, I don't want them to go into public places. I myself am not going into like crowded places. Just have some coffee, chill, have some nice biking conversations, and I'll drop them here and I'll go back home. That's the plan. Okay, we just finished having lunch at Heart Cup Cafe. Somehow Zishan, none of them had Hyderabadi chicken. He doesn't want to have chicken. He had just one piece. I was asking him to have अच्छे से chicken. Hyderabadi khana. He's not having. What Zishan?
नहीं, I had it.
We have all the bikes here. This is Abdul's bike, her bike. A beautiful white tiger. Actually, I had plans to get a white tiger for myself first. This was not available.
Sold out for this bike because the color was white, and I just loved white bike.
Okay. Before the dark horse, this was the plan to get the white tiger, but then it was not available. The next available color was the black, so I got that. No problem, I'm happy with that. I thought I'll wrap it up later with any other color I want. This is Ishan's bike, the black. Any name for it? Tiger hai? Tiger? Tiger hai. The world famous dialogue. And India's most famous BMW GS 1250, GS8 it seems. It's so huge, man. Put Christmas lights everywhere. This is Erica, right?
Yeah, this is
Erica.
This is way powerful than Clearwater.
Oh, yeah?
Way cheaper also.
Man, क्या लगा हुआ है? You put so many things. Nikhil, whenever I see him in his vlogs, he put so many things on his bike. I mean, he overloads it, yeah.
Overload.
And then he rides with a pillion. This I've never done. That's really challenging, definitely.
It's challenging for a certain time. You know how you, when you rode the Tiger for the first time, how you felt it heavy?
Right, yes, yes.
It's just matter of
Correct. You get used to it.
No tension.
Have any plan now? Or just sitting in the room chilling?
No, we'll go to the terrace. It's beautiful
Nikhil like
view.
the terrace, it seems.
Beautiful view.
Okay.
और रूम में भी बहुत अच्छा व्यू है.
Sorry.
Nikhil wants to go to the
Plan
terrace.
अच्छा.
टेरेस पे जाते हैं. बहुत पसंद आएगा.
Coffee.
पहले जाओ उधर फिर कॉफी मंगाते हैं.
चलो.
टायर है नहीं पागल
4.5 फुट है ये.
5 फीट तो एक आदमी
कितना हुआ ये?
Okay, we are at this terrace of Radisson Blu. Everything is properly empty. No one is here. Everything is abandoned. It looks abandoned. Even the swimming pool, obviously, COVID situation.
बोलूँगा गाइस बहुत अच्छा स्विमिंग करके ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो. ठीक है.
Okay, we invented a new name called dry swimming. Nikhil is doing that. Nikhil, I think you should put all this in your vlogs. The raw stuff he doesn't put is completely different. Dry swimming. It's called dry swimming.
Dry swimming.
Dry swimming, anyone can do it. You don't need skill for this. Yeah, you don't need to take out your clothes. So this is the best thing you can do in COVID. In COVID, if you're not allowed to swimming pool in any hotel, do dry swimming.
Yeah, you can wear the mask and do swimming. सब वीडियो सब कैमरे चालू कर देंगे अपन.
Okay, our place of worship.
Sore today, strong tomorrow.
Are you sore today or strong?
I am strong.
I was sore yesterday, so
मैंने
today I'm
workout
strong.
ही नहीं किया है शर्मा ने.
I am just sorry.
हो गया.
Swimming करके?
हाँ.
चलो उठा.
हाँ सर 96 kg वेट करो और फिर पुल अप करो.
हाँ.
1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, last 10. Oh, good.
Oh, 11.
और जाता.
Good.
स्विमिंग किया ना.
1,
ये करे स्पाइड करो ना.
2,
इधर क्यों कर रहे हो?
3, 11. Oh, good. But he's 90. You're 90.
96.
96. And you did 12. Zishan, come on, dude. Okay, I'll try.
Okay, sure.
वाइट क्यों नहीं किया सर? This one, right?
1, 2.
Little bit jerking is okay.
11.
Very nice.
Can go more, but we need warm up.
Yes, sure.
Ah, okay.
More energy drink.
Good, all the riders are physically fit. Zishan, you remember we had a bet. You forgot the
I
bet.
won. But I won.
But-
and I came to Hyderabad.
Why? You didn't check my ads yet.
अच्छा अभी करना पड़ेगा.
No, but he's a motivator. इसका photos देखने के बाद I started. I thought okay, naturally this is possible.
और गेम में हारे आप हो, जीता मैं हूँ. एप्स पहले मेरे आए.
So the
अभी
challenge,
बाद में आपके आए.
people don't know what is the
Yeah,
challenge.
you
So
can-
challenge
you
was,
can say
if he gets the six pack first, then I should come to Mumbai, right? If I get the six pack first, I won the challenge. He would come to Hyderabad, but he won the challenge. No, I think I won. Check. Little bit. It'll come soon by December, Jan 1st.
तो है अभी बॉडी फैट मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है 145 days.
45 days.
Crazy है but crazy dedication and workout.
अरे यार, these people started properly working out.
अरे भाई यही तो होता है.
मजाक में they're doing proper workout. No, today is my off day. So I had a great time with Nikhil here.
बहुत अच्छा लगा भाई.
Amazing time, and even Zishan.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
We spoke a lot about
YouTube.
about YouTube.
We
yeah.
both spoke a lot.
And he guided me so much. I didn't know. See, Nikhil is
Secret.
so secrets. Huh? Okay, we can call it secrets. More than that, I learned so much today. What Nikhil talks on the camera is nothing. What he is in real, I never thought you had so much intelligence. I'm sorry to say that, but in reality, he has so much sense. Yeah.
We were getting to know each other today. So for me, when I
Yeah,
meet
this
someone
was
for
a
the first
little
time-
bit formal, I would say,
Yeah,
because
formal
first meeting, even Zishan ko, this is the first meeting actually.
अगली बार when
We
we
used to
meet, we'll do
talk
more.
like on the phone, so maybe in future we'll even do rides, maybe if our time permits, both of us.
You have fun. Sorry to keep you waiting. बहुत late हो गया.
I think I kept you waiting. He's so dedicated. He's so hardworking. I always say this.
चालू.
I think I was disturbing him now.
नहीं,
Go
बिल्कुल.
work.
नहीं,
I'll go
बिल्कुल.
now.
चलो.
See you guys in Mumbai next.
हाँ.
Hopefully.
Okay, okay.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So that was my quick meeting with, actually quick night. I thought I'll just be here for 1 hour or something, but we ended up staying for almost, I came in the morning and till evening.